Hello everyone, welcome to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to clear search history in Gmail. So please watch the video till the very end. For the first step, you need to tap upon the Gmail. Then you need to get logged in into your account by providing the account credential. Here you can see I'm already logged in. So for the clear search history, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left. From there, you need to scroll down to the setting option at the end. Tap on setting. Here you tap on general settings. Inside general settings section, you need to tap on that three dotted lines on the top right. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, you will see this pop up. There you have the option to clear search history. You tap on that. All searches you have previously performed will be removed. Here you tap on clear, and with that all the search history that you have made previously will be removed from your Gmail account. So this is how you can clear search history in Gmail. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.